Hey guys, how's it going? So my name is Taylor. If you have not been to my channel before, welcome. Or if you're returning, thank you for supporting me. I greatly appreciate it. I've been doing a lot of work lately. I've been on Instagram a ton lately. I'm actually doing a giveaway, so be sure to follow me because sometime this year there will be a really good giveaway. Make sure you tell your friends as well because I've been gathering stuff for a while, so it's going to be amazing. I cannot wait to do the giveaway. But today I'm going to do a tutorial on this look. I am absolutely in love with how it turned out. I hope you guys are too. I had fun with this, so I hope you guys enjoy. I did share some of my favorite products in this video. I will be doing a favorites soon as well. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next vid. Alright, so we're going to start off with the Smashbox Primerizer. Your girl is almost out of this. I'm definitely in love with this. If you have any problems with like foundation separating or dry patches or whatever, this stuff is thebomb.com. My skin has been crazy lately, and I've actually just started on the Halo Beauty Kiwi supplements, so I'm really excited about that because my sister actually started hers before I did, and she walked into my room the one day and literally she's tried everything for like her acne scars and nothing has helped it but this. Like, she literally walked in and I'm like, what did you do to your face? Like, your skin looks amazing. And she's like, it's these Kiwi supplements. That's the only thing I've changed. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my Becca Ultimate Coverage Foundation. This has some wear and tear on it as well. It's in the color Shell, and I'm just going to use my Techniques Beauty Blender to blend it in. So next I'm going to take the Urban All Nighter Concealer in the shade Fair Warm, and I'm just going to use this as my concealer. I definitely have some dark spot right here. It's actually like super blue, so I always put some there. And then I'm just going to do a little bit on the other parts of the T-zone. Now I'm going to go in with the NYC Smooth Skin what? Face powder in the translucent color. This one is amazing. I'm also going to be using my Jaclyn Hill and Morphe JH07 brush. This powder is like thebomb.com. I love this powder. Honestly, it's like the best affordable powder there is. It's really hard to find it nowadays. If you didn't know, they barely sell NYC anywhere, so not even on their website, so I have to get it from Amazon. I literally have probably like 4 of these powders in my drawer because I love it so much. You know what the routine is. I'll just do like a quick little snippet of it. It's the Dip Brow Chocolate from Anastasia Beverly Hills, or sorry, Anastasia. That's how you pronounce it, Anastasia. I just learned that. And it's been like forever that I just learned that, but yep, I'm a little late to the party. Primerizer bronzing powder in Pool Party, and I'm going to be using the JH05 to apply this. Some soft baking today, so I'm going to be using that same powder and the JH10, this little flat brush to bake. So for blush, I'm going to be going in with the Lorac Shine Bright Cheek Palette. I'm going to be taking the color Tea Rose, which is this guy right here. And then I'm going to take my JH04 brush. I know you guys are probably thinking, oh my god, why are you using all these Chicken Hill Morphe brushes, but they're fucking bomb. So I don't know what to tell you. Guys, now I'm going to go in with the Tarte Stunner highlight. This one it's old. I broke it and I still use it. Like, it's so crushed, but I still use it. I've thought about repairing it, but honestly, I just don't have the time to. Oh, and I'm sorry, I'm using the Morphe M510 brush. I just like something big and fluffy to do my highlight with. I've been loving such a glowy look. Like, usually I don't because I'm so oily that I'm like, I need matte like right now, but I've been really into like these softer glowy looks, and I don't know, it's just, it looks better. It looks more dimensional, it looks more youthful, it just looks better, I feel like, than just having one matte flat face. Although I do still love matte, I still, like, I need a mixture. Like, I need like the matte foundation, but I need like the really glowy highlight that's not, like, I hate when highlighters are either glittery or chunky, or like they're just overall like too much. Because I know in the past we've just been like highlight, highlight, highlight. Like, I want to see it from the stars and I don't get it because, like, no, that looks like a stripe on your face. Like, you'd want something more like smooth and creamy and glowy. And that's why I feel like I love that Tarte highlighter so much, because it is that smooth, creamy highlight that I just love. Alright, so I'm going to go in with the Luscious Angel Eyes eyeshadow primer base in the color Nude. Do you ever feel like so confused as like an adult and you're like, feel like a chameleon in like a bag of Skittles and you just don't know what color to turn? I'm going to go in with the JH32 from Morphe. I'm going to go in with the, you can use whatever blues you have, I really don't care. The James Charles palette from Morphe. This is the color Playground, which is this blue right here. So we're just going to go in with a lighter blue first. take that same color on let's not use one. Let's go in with the E36 from Morphe, just so I can get under the eyes with the same color. So I'm going to go into the Smashbox Covershot Bold Eye Palette. I'm going to take the blue from there, which looks like that. So I'm going to take that blue on a JH40 brush, and I'm going to focus this in the crease on the inner and outer corner. Cosmetics flat top brush, and I'm going to go in with that same color for my bottom. So I'm going to take that brush that I used on my lower lash line at first, and I'm going to go in with the, what is this one? The Morphe 35V, the color Fling, which is this really dark shade right here. Oops, that one right there. Really dark blue. I'm just going to focus this on the inner and outer corner to really add depth to the look. The Morphe M421 and the shade Hello from the James Charles palette, which is this like frosty blue color. I'm just going to focus this on the middle of the lid because I kind of want to do like a halo eye look. Alright, so I'm going to take the MAC Dazzleshadow in Diamond Crumbles. This is gorgeous. I adore this, and you will love it too, trust me. So it's just a liquid shadow. I'm just going to use the JH42 shade, or not shade, the JH42 brush, and take it from the applicator. This stuff is crazy cool. We're just going to go straight over that shade that we just put on. It's honestly gorgeous. Like, so pretty. So now I'm going to take the Urban Decay 24/7 eyeliner in Goddess, and this is just going to go on my waterline. And then I'm going to take the Lottie London eyeliner. This is actually a stamp one, but I'm going to use the regular side because I actually really like it. I'm just going to do a just a line on my top lid. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. Alright, so now for lashes, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Luxe Lash Kit. And I actually mentioned these in my last video. If you haven't seen it, it's how to apply falsies. lips, I'm going to go in with the Kylie lip liner in Maliboo. Then I'm going to go in with the Dose of Colors / Mickey collection in the color Rockin. Love this lip gloss, my favorite. We're just going to set her off with some Fix Plus. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this. This was very needed for me. I feel like I've been needing to just sit down and just do makeup, and it's been so long since I've actually done it that I can't remember the last time I did it. But it's definitely worth it. It's hard because like I'm always in a rush. I'm always trying to go to work, or I'm always trying to do this or that, and it's like I'm always feeling like I'm rushed, and it sucks because, you know, this is my favorite part. This is my favorite part where I sit down and just, you know, do my craft. I do my hobby. I like express myself through it. So I'm really happy with the way this turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed. I definitely shared some of my favorite products in this video. Hopefully I'll do an actual favorite soon. The other thing I noticed is, I don't know why, and I haven't really been doing anything different, but lately I've been getting lipstick on my teeth, and I don't know what it is, but it's like showing up in my videos. I keep seeing it at work. I'm like, why do I keep getting lipstick on my teeth? I don't know, it's just like the weirdest thing that's happened to me lately for like the past month. But anyways, I am I'm super excited to show you guys some more videos that I have in the future in mind. A lot of creative videos that I'm super excited about, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. I have a little button in one of the little corners here that you can just literally click, and then you're subscribed. You've joined the fam. You are not going to miss out on any more videos. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did filming it and creating this look for you guys. Don't forget to follow my Instagram because I'm going to be doing a giveaway this year. So make sure you follow that. Tell your friends to follow it so they don't miss out on that giveaway, because it's going to be bomb. I will let you know that. I'm gathering stuff for it right now. I've been gathering stuff for it for a while, so it's going to be a huge giveaway. I will let you know more details once I post it, but I'm super excited for you guys to see that as well. And yeah, I hope you guys had a wonderful day. I know we're kind of in like this weird transition, at least where I live, of like winter, fall, spring all in one. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time.